everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are using an APK CapCut version that normally gives you an error anytime you want to use it, stating that there is connection error, I have a solution for you. Few weeks ago, I couldn't afford the actual CapCut subscription, so I had to get the APK version, which I was able to use. But after a few days, I couldn't access it again. It will keep telling me there's network error and all that. Everything stopped working. So I later find a solution on what's going on. So if you're having the same issue, I will urge you to follow this video, and I promise you at the end of it you will not have any issue with it. If this is your first time of coming across my video, my name is Bernice and I make tutorials on different digital apps. Kindly subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so as not to miss any of my updates. Let's get started. Head over to your Google store and search for TempMail. You will see series of the apps coming up. I'll be going for this particular one, TempMail by TempMail. So I will download it. Waiting for it to download, I will go ahead and search for Thunder VPN and download that as well. Once you are done downloading your app, head over to your Thunder VPN app and connect it to the internet. I'll open your TempMail app that you just downloaded. Once you open the app, you will see this interface. As you can see, there is a default email that is being generated on the app. So all you need is to copy it and head over to your Chrome browser. Search for CapCut sign up. After searching, wait for it to load and go ahead to sign up. As you can see on my screen, I could not sign up because I've already signed up on CapCut before. So I have to go ahead and delete my browsing history, then search for it again, then continue with the sign up for the purpose of this video. So if you also encounter this same thing, just go ahead and clear your browsing history and search for it again. So after searching for it, go ahead and input the email you copied from template into the space provided. After inputting it, provide your preferred password in the space provided. Go ahead and fill your date of birth. You can choose the actual date of birth or you can just input any random one. A code will be sent to your TempMail app. Go back and copy it, then come and paste it here on CapCut sign up. After pasting it there, you receive a confirmation message on your screen that you've successfully signed up. So go ahead and open your CapCut to test what you've just done. Now open your CapCut and click on me. After clicking on me, click on sign in at the upper side. So after clicking on sign in, input your email, the email you copied from TempMail, input it and your password. Once you successfully sign in, go ahead and test all the pro features like I did on my screen, and you will see that everything is working perfectly well without any restriction. With this, we have come to the end of the tutorial, and I hope you can see that it is well easy to navigate. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, comment and share for a wider audience. Thank you so much for watching. See you later in my next video. Bye.